I am Dr. Ramu Emana. I am a assistant professor at Regional Center for Biotechnology, which is an UNESCO center. We work on improving abiotic stress tolerance of crops. We work on rice. I will be talking about genome editing applications and also discovery of agrochemicals to improve abiotic stress tolerance of plants.
Hello, greetings from Delaware. I'm Amarnatha Vennapusa, working as a postdoctoral fellow at Delaware State University, United States of America. So as we know, environmental stress is one of the major threats to the crop production. So even though classical breeding has been successful in developing these stress tolerant varieties, but it is very tedious and also it requires a lot of events and specific traits to breed for individual stress tolerant crops to develop. But the alternatively, plant biotechnology now has been one of the viable option to develop the varieties within a quick span of time for improving the abiotic stress tolerance. Using the same approach, we also developed a transgenics using a single magic gene which can impart the multiple stress tolerance in plants. So I will be talking about how this gene is playing an important role and bringing the multiple stress tolerance in crops on plant biotechnology webinar conducted by Sri Venkateswara University on 27th and 28th of this month. Stay tuned to this webinar so to know more about how this magic gene play a role in abiotic stress tolerance. Thank you.
Hello friends, I am Dr. Sushil Satish Chapekar, working as postdoctoral research fellow in the Institute of Agriculture and Life Science, Chungnam National University, Daejeon, South Korea. I am working on Brassica crop improvement program. We are targeting variety of traits such as fusarium wilt disease resistance, clubroot disease resistance, and other nutritional aspects such as anthocyanin and carotenoid biosynthesis. I have been working on different crops such as capsicum, brassica, and rice for their improvement. In my presentation, I will be talking on these particular crops. Looking forward to meet you all. Thank you.
Hi everyone, I am Dr. Arifullah Muhammad from University Malaysia Kelantan, Malaysia. I would be presenting on applications of plant cell and tissue culture for pharma and food industry during the webinar on applications of biotechnology to be held on 27th and 28th of June, organized by Department of Botany, Sri Venkateswara University, India. I will be elaborating on ongoing research in my laboratory related to medicinal plants as well as food industry related research. I hope to see you there. Don't miss to listen to me. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Prasad Parshuri. I work as postdoctoral fellow at Institute of Biological Chemistry, Washington State University, USA. My research mainly focuses on understanding the synthesis of unusual fatty acids of nutritional and industrial importance in plants. We use different biotechnological tools such as transcriptomics, lipidomics, and transgenic technology to bioengineer the traditional oilseed plants to produce omega-3 fatty acids, which are of high nutritional importance. So in the SAL International webinar on applications of plant biotechnology, I'll be talking on various biotechnological tools that we use to improve the fatty acid quality and quantity in oilseed crops. Thank you.